Today, I have a very special treat for you. I'm about to share with you a method that Neville Goddard passed on to his most privileged clients. This technique holds the promise of manifesting a substantial sum of money, potentially even millions of dollars, in a very short time. This Neville Goddard secret money method will make you rich. However, it's a closely guarded secret that few people know about. But what if I told you that there is a secret technique that can help you manifest a huge amount of money in a short time? A technique that has the potential to manifest millions of dollars for you. But before I reveal this technique to you, I would like to ask you a favor. Please support my channel and podcast by hitting the like button and subscribing. It would mean a lot to me and help me reach more people who need this information. Thank you so much for your kindness and generosity. This secret technique will change your life forever. Today, I'm excited to share a powerful story inspired by Neville Goddard, revealing a unique and unconventional method for attracting money and wealth, regardless of your current circumstances. And today, I'm going to share with you one of the most magical manifestation techniques by Neville Goddard, that will help you get 100% results in no time. I will share with you the secret that helped me manifest everything literally in no time once I understood it. You will learn how to apply this secret to manifest money and wealth. Neville Goddard taught the law of assumption, which states that whatever you assume to be true, will become your reality. He said that the only thing that matters is your state of consciousness, and that you can change your state by imagining the end result of your desire as if it were already done. One of his most famous techniques is called the I remember when technique. It is based on the principle that the past and the future are only projections of your mind, and that you can revise them at any moment. By using this technique, you can shift from a state of lack to a state of abundance, from a state of fear to a state of confidence, from a state of doubt to a state of certainty. The I remember when technique is very simple, but very powerful. All you have to do is to remember a time when you didn't have what you want, and then contrast it with the present moment, where you have it. For example, if you want to manifest more money, you can say to yourself, I remember when I was broke and struggling to pay my bills. But now, I have more than enough money to live comfortably and generously. Or if you want to manifest a loving relationship, you can say, I remember when I was lonely and longing for love. But now, I have an amazing partner who loves me unconditionally and supports me in everything I do. By doing this, you are creating a bridge between your current reality and your desired reality. You are telling your subconscious mind that what you want is already here, and that you are grateful for it. You are also implying that there was a change, a transformation, a miracle that happened in between. And that miracle is nothing but your own imagination. The more you practice this technique, the more you will see your reality shifting to match your assumptions. You will start noticing signs, synchronicities, opportunities, and manifestations that confirm your new state of being. You will feel happier, more confident, more fulfilled. You will be living in the end. This technique works for anything you want to manifest, big or small. The only limit is your own imagination. So don't be afraid to dream big and go for what you really want. Remember that you are the creator of your own reality, and that nothing is impossible for you. The key is to say these statements with feeling and conviction, as if you are really remembering something that happened in the past. You have to feel the relief, the gratitude, the joy, and the satisfaction of having what you want now. You have to feel as if it is already done, and that nothing can stop it from manifesting in your physical world. You can use this technique anytime, anywhere, and as often as you want. You can say it out loud or silently in your mind. You can write it down or repeat it mentally. You can use it for big or small things, for specific or general things, for yourself or for others. The more you use it, the more you will impress your subconscious mind with your new state of being, and the more you will attract the corresponding circumstances and events into your life. This technique works because it aligns you with the natural law of assumption, which states that whatever you assume to be true, with feeling and faith, will become true in your experience. As Neville Goddard said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and then go about your business knowing that as you walk in this fixed attitude, your assumption will harden into fact. Implying that something has changed in your life, that something has shifted in your favor. You are telling your subconscious mind that you have moved from a state of lack to a state of abundance, and that you expect more good things to come your way. The key to making this technique work is to feel the emotion of having what you want as vividly as possible. You have to feel grateful, joyful, proud, satisfied, or whatever emotion is appropriate for your desire. You have to feel it in your body, in your heart, in your soul. You have to feel it as if it were already true. The more you do this technique, the more you will impress your subconscious mind with your new reality. And the more you impress your subconscious mind, the more you will attract the circumstances, people, and events that match your new state of consciousness. You will see miracles happen in your life. I can personally attest to the power of this technique. I have used it many times to manifest amazing things in my life. For example, I remember when I was living in a small apartment with my family and had no space or privacy. I remember when I dreamed of having a beautiful house with a garden and a pool. But now, I live in my dream house with my family and we are so happy here. Now, I wake up every morning feeling blessed and grateful for this wonderful home. Now, I enjoy every moment spent here with my family and friends. This is just one example of how I use the I remember when technique to manifest my desire. I have also used it to manifest love, health, success, travel, and many other things. It works for anything you want, big or small. So what are you waiting for? Start using this magical manifestation technique today and watch how fast your dreams come true. In our fast-paced society, the desire for instant manifestation has become an inherent part of our psyche. The rise of technology has made us accustomed to getting instant answers and solutions via smartphones, setting an expectation for quick results. We find ourselves yearning for immediate results when it comes to manifesting our desires. We identify something we want, set our intention, follow the prescribed steps, and eagerly anticipate its rapid fulfillment. This craving for instant gratification is deeply ingrained in our societal programming. However, within the realm of manifesting, time is an illusion. What we seek is already present in the universe, awaiting alignment and attraction. Often, individuals embark on the manifesting journey, diligently following the steps and processes, and believe they have done everything right. Yet, when their desired outcome does not materialize promptly or within the self-imposed deadline, panic, frustration, or disillusionment sets in. It's crucial to recognize that true magic transpires precisely when it appears as though our desires may never materialize. In those fleeting moments, when doubt and uncertainty loom large, the manifestation unexpectedly unfolds, revealing the true beauty and power of the creative process. Now, let's delve into a potent manifesting technique that I hold in high regard. However, it's essential to clarify that this technique doesn't involve attempting to control timing or force outcomes based on personal notions of what's best. Instead, it's about allowing the natural flow of manifestation. Utilizing this technique can significantly expedite the manifestation process without undermining the essential aspect of allowing. This is the essential core of this technique. What you expect is precisely what you attract, emphasizing the fundamental role expectations play in shaping our experiences. In our day-to-day lives, expectations wield a profound influence over our reality. They guide our thoughts, actions, and perceptions. Therefore, understanding and harnessing the power of expectations is pivotal in the art of manifestation. When we align our expectations with our desires, we synchronize ourselves with the energetic frequency of our goals. This alignment acts as a beacon, attracting the manifestations we seek into our lives. It's a symbiotic dance between intent, expectation, and manifestation, where our expectations act as the bridge between our desires and their tangible realization. By consciously cultivating positive and unwavering expectations aligned with our goals, we establish a magnetic field that draws our desires towards us. However, it's crucial to release any sense of desperation or neediness associated with these expectations. This technique invites us to hold our expectations with a sense of assurance and detachment, allowing the universe to unfold in its divine timing. The delicate balance between conviction and detachment amplifies the potency of this manifestation technique. In conclusion, the art of manifestation transcends the constraints of time and unfolds through the harmonious interplay of intention, expectation, and alignment. By embracing the power of aligned expectations, we tap into the limitless potential of creation and witness the magic that transpires when we relinquish control and allow the universe to manifest our desires in its perfect timing. The journey of manifestation is a testament to the profound connection between our inner beliefs and the outer reality we shape, revealing the boundless possibilities that await us as we master this art. As we continue to explore this profound manifestation technique, it's vital to emphasize the significance of cultivating a state of conscious allowance. The essence of this approach lies in surrendering the need to dictate the how and when of our manifestations. Instead, we focus on nurturing a deep belief in the inevitability of our desires manifesting, while relinquishing the need for rigid control over the unfolding process. This shift in perspective fosters a sense of trust and receptivity towards the infinite intelligence of the universe. Allowing is about aligning our energy and intentions with the frequency of what we desire without imposing restrictions or doubts. When we try to control every aspect of the manifestation, we inadvertently introduce resistance into the equation. This resistance stems from fear, impatience, or doubt, which can hamper the natural flow of manifestation. On the other hand, when we release this need for control and allow our desires to manifest in their own perfect timing, we create a space for magic to unfold. Imagine planting a seed in fertile soil. Once planted, we trust that the seed will germinate and grow into a beautiful plant. We water it, nurture it, and provide the optimal conditions, but we don't stand over the seed demanding it to sprout instantly. Similarly, in the realm of manifestation, we set our intentions, align our energy, and take inspired actions, but we trust the process and allow the universe to work its magic. To enhance the potency of this manifestation technique, we must also cultivate a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of positive energy and aligns us with the frequency of abundance. By expressing gratitude for the manifestations we've already received, even before they physically manifest, we generate a powerful magnetic field that draws more abundance into our lives. Additionally, visualization and emotional engagement play a vital role in this technique. By vividly visualizing our desires as if they've already manifested and infusing these visualizations with strong positive emotions, we amplify the manifestation process. Emotions are a potent energy that adds fuel to our intentions and propels them into the universe. Incorporating a daily practice of aligning our expectations, allowing the natural flow of manifestation, expressing gratitude, engaging in powerful visualization, and infusing these practices with positive emotions lays the foundation for a truly transformative manifestation experience. Remember, patience and trust in the process are paramount. The universe operates in perfect order and timing, and by embracing this wisdom, we unlock the keys to our deepest desires and manifest them with grace and magic. In conclusion, the journey of manifestation is a dance between intention, alignment, expectation, and surrender. It's an invitation to harmonize our energy with the universe, allowing the magic of creation to unfold in its divine timing. By embracing the principles and practices of this manifestation technique, we step into our power as conscious creators and witness the extraordinary beauty of co-creating our reality with the universe. The potential to manifest our dreams is within our grasp, and by nurturing belief, trust, and gratitude, we unlock the doors to a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.